I'm done looking good.
You need to be.
Welcome back to Suchipakari Lodge with Tres Vinos Adventures in Peru. We're still in the Amazon Basin, and we're viewing some of the plants and animals at the Suchipakari Lodge. Thank you for viewing. Huge papayas. Rained quite a bit last night. Guess that's why they call it the rainforest. Just a beautiful array of subtropical plants at the Suchipakari Lodge in Ecuador. Suchipakari. They're preparing breakfast. Yeah, I know, a lot of luxury for being in the Amazon, but I'm here in the Amazon, in Ecuador, enjoying every minute of it, especially at nearly sea level. Look at that bird flying. Still looking for Jane in the jungle. Mirador. Hey, where's the Mirador? I have to go that way in a minute. The floor's still slippery. I'm wearing my camouflage, waterproof, snake-proof, but not butterfly-proof. And there's your first Amazon butterfly. There's a little hibiscus. I've been seeing these all over the place on the way up here. They're just beautiful. Jungle Lodge. It's a steep fall down there. I don't want to get too close. This turned out to be the building of the Suchipakari spa, where you can get fantastic massages. I got a full body massage and a defoliant massage and a chocolate wrap, all for the small price of $80, an hour and a half. Can't beat that. Now we go into the monkey village, where there's loose monkeys causing havoc, jumping around, getting all the people excited. Let's see what happens. It's a monkey school, Catalina. They come over here to study, learn how to climb trees. Boats.
Are they? Oh, just right there?
Right there on the boat.
My
They're
goodness.
monkeying around.
Oh my goodness.
This is monkey school.
Wow.
Jumping and wrestling.
Love it.
The Napo River. Yeah.
Crab? Oh, crab.
Crab or a
I'm not
clam.
kidding. They really have the grass for this. Daddy. Oh, look the way he jumped. Did you get that?
Whoa.
Yeah, if you can.
Look, Paloma and Catalina. Where are you going?
Trying to sleep.
That baby's sleeping, look at that.
Yeah.
You wouldn't sleep too.
Yeah. Lack of nutrients after having a baby, probably. Needs vitamins. Yeah. Take a little swim on a hot day. Looks like a lifeguard. Check. Dig it for some more. Hey, where'd you go? What are you looking for, Catalina? What did you hide in there? Huh? Is that where you hide your bananas? Hey! You got your hand stuck in there? Get away. You want to mess with me? Come on, I know monkey jumping. I'll dig my own clam. Come on, you want to fight?
Don't dig fast, it goes all
Yeah.
the more inside the crab.
Pretty smart. They know where those clams are, or crabs, or whatever. Oh, she
I had a
got-
video that one she like a dig and take it out the one crab and eat.
And the little baby hanging out for dear life. Los monos.
Hay una en una
Sí,
reserva
¿Sí?
bastante famosa,
¿Por qué?
se llama Shakira.
Shakira.
No keep finding one.
¿Está buena? ¿Y qué comen? ¿Cangrejos o
Son unas raíces lo que comen aquí.
las
Pero-
raíces?
Como unas raíces, como los animalitos que hay en la tierra comen aquí, pero hay con bananas, pero no hay
Ajá.
mucho aquí. Como los turistas los traen. Alrededor de unos 14, 18.
Thank you for viewing Tres Vinos Adventures. And stand by for more in Ecuador as we find some other exciting things to monkey around with. Again, thank you for viewing and stand by for more. We'll see you from Ecuador. Bye. ¿Y este es el más grande, parece?
No,
Hay más.
no, sí, él es el macho. Sí, él es el macho.
El bebito. It's a root.
Crickets.
No, it's a root of some sort. Or a worm? I don't know.
It's crab, they said.
No, it's like a cricket.
Oh, it's a cricket?
A
Oh,
larva
wow.
of some sort,
No, they
maybe?
said it's crab.
That's
It
very
looks like crab.
nutritious. La esposa.
Tiene muchos hijos, parece.
Oh, look at that one.